Welcome to our Splunk SPL Command tutorial series. Today we are exploring the mvcount command, a powerful tool for counting multi-value items in your Splunk data. The mvcount command allows you to analyze and quantify multi-value fields, making it essential for data analysis and statistical operations. Understanding how to count values in multi-value fields opens up new possibilities for data insights and reporting in Splunk. The mvcount command is designed to return the count of values present in a specified multi-value field. Its primary purpose is to analyze and quantify multi-value field data for statistical operations. When you have fields containing multiple values separated by delimiters, mvcount helps you determine exactly how many individual values exist within each field instance. This functionality is crucial for understanding data distribution and complexity in your Splunk searches. The syntax for mvcount is straightforward and easy to remember. You simply use mvcount followed by the field name in parentheses. The basic structure is mvcount open parenthesis field underscore name close parenthesis. To implement this command, you replace field underscore name with the actual name of your multi-value field that you want to count. This simple syntax makes mvcount accessible for both beginners and advanced Splunk users. Let's look at a practical example of using mvcount. In this SPL query, we use the eval command to create a new field called tags underscore count that contains the result of mvcount applied to the tags field. The pipe table command then displays the event underscore ID, original tags field, and the new tags underscore count field. This query structure allows you to see both the original multi-value data and its corresponding count in a clear, organized format. Here you can see the practical output of our mvcount example. Event 001 has 3 tags: security, alert, and network, resulting in a count of 3. Event 002 contains 2 tags: error and database, showing a count of 2. Event 003 has only 1 tag called info with a count of 1. Event 004 demonstrates a more complex case with 4 tags: warning, performance, memory, and CPU, yielding a count of 4. This output clearly shows how mvcount quantifies the complexity of each multi-value field. The mvcount command becomes even more powerful when combined with filtering operations. In this example, we first create a tag underscore count field using mvcount, then use the where command to filter events that have more than 2 tags. Finally, we use the stats command to count how many events fall into each tag count category. This approach is particularly useful for finding events with multiple tags for complex analysis, helping you identify patterns and outliers in your data distribution. Advanced statistical analysis becomes possible when you combine mvcount with Splunk statistical functions. In this example, we create a count underscore values field using mvcount on the categories field, then calculate the average and maximum count values using the stats command. This provides key insights including the average number of values per field, the maximum field complexity, and overall data distribution patterns. Such analysis helps you understand the structure and complexity of your multi-value data across your entire dataset. Let's summarize the key takeaways about the mvcount command. First, mvcount returns the number of items in multi-value fields, making data quantification simple and accurate. Second, it enables statistical analysis by allowing aggregations and comparisons of field complexity. Third, you can use mvcount for filtering events based on field complexity, helping you focus on specific data patterns. Fourth, the syntax is simple and easy to implement and understand. In conclusion, mvcount is essential for analyzing multi-value field distributions and should be part of every Splunk analyst's toolkit. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.